guess I'm stuck forever by the glue. I want you.
Sir Marine World, nagpahinga kami konti doon sa may upuan doon bago pumunta sa Seaside Park. May vending machine, tsaka ice cream. Mahangin. So, lakad lang yung way na papuntang Seaside Park. And if by walking, mga 15 minutes daw. Ayan, makikita niyo tong sign. Welcome to Uminonaki. Uminonakamichi Seaside Park. May tunnel. So, may isa for walking, may isa for bikes. And ito yung buong map ng Seaside Park. So, ang laki niya. So, hindi natin siya malalakad buo. And you could rent a bike. If marunong kayo mag-bike, you could rent a bike. Tapos may Segway rin. Pero mahal siya. Parang 3K siya. Sundan natin sila. So, the fee is $4.50 each person to enter. $4.50 each person. And if group more than 20, $290.
20 above.
Ayun, sa machine kayo bibili ng tickets. And there's a park guide. You could get a park guide here and some receipts. Bike rental here.
Sabay tayo tutumba, Joyce.
Bikes. Pang kids pala yung need natin. So these are the rates for the cycle information. 600 for 3 hours for adult. Bike. Hindi kami marunong. So, masaya siya if marunong kayo. This is the tandem bike. Bikes. May different inches yung bike. Angat niya. Ayan yan. Sorry. Go. Uy. You could adjust the seats.
Ano ba kaya tayo? Sila naman gumamay ganun. Sabi yung sa maglakad.
Yan na. Dapat isang side muna. Yun o ganun. Yan na. Successful.
Mas magaling pa siya mag-control.
Ayaw mo mag-bike? Sure.
Di ba
Sa mga hindi marunong mag-bike, lakad tayo. Ang hirap.
Ayan na, nag-switch na sila.
Parang ang tagal kasi ikutin. So, we're going back. Try natin yung maliit na bike. So, isa muna i-rent natin. Tapos, try natin kung kaya ba. Kaya.
Hindi ko sure.
Kasi mas parang ang haba So, parang ang hirap na lakarin lang. Kaya mas mabilis na i-bike na lang natin. Try muna natin isa.
Tayo practice na.
Bike store.
Pumasok dito, hindi tinignan ng shower, nag-practice bike. Kung gusto mo yung padyak-padyak lang, yung ganun lang sa Oo, ganun.
Bye! There's a seaside park here. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-slide. Swing, swing. Mag-season na lang tayo.
Garden pa rin yun.
After 1 hour, di pa rin tayo natutong mag-bike. So, punta tayo sa may parang floral area. And ang laki ng park. So, ang hirap din lakarin po. Kaya recommended mag-bike. Ayun. So, hindi tayo marunong. So, lakad-lakad lang. And it's very peaceful, so if gusto nyo mag-unwind and nature, ayun, you could come here, walk, take bike, gusto nyo mag-muni-muni, ganun. Dito may konting flowers lang. Hindi ko mahanap yung blue sea of flowers. Ang laki kasi. Pabalik na tayo kasi until 5 lang yung bike rental. So guys, the park is only until 5:30 and kasi wala talagang light, so magiging madilim siya if late na. Very windy ngayon, yung hangin na sobrang presko. And I'm walking alone na kasi they need to return the bikes. And ayun, may mga rides rin dito. Parang may go-kart. Pero hindi na tayo nakaabot. Saan tayo kanina? Marine World. Ito. Hanggang dito lang naabot natin. Rose Garden.
Sa babad.
Ito yung animal. Layo eh.
Actually, malapit na tayo.
And we're done with Seaside Park. So, babalik na tayo sa Tianjin area. And same pa rin yung way pabalik. So, we need to ride the 25A bus. And 10 minutes walk siya from here. And ayun, 680 yen ulit siya. So, need nyo yung crow. So, need nyo talaga maghanda ng i-load nyo yung IC card para magamit. So, the cash process in the bus is you need to insert the bill, example 1,000 bill, and the machine would convert it into coins, and the driver would collect the fare and give you the change. And now we're riding the JR line kasi wala na yung bus. Nalagpasan na natin siya. So you could use the Visa card to tap if wala nang load yung IC card niyo. We went down in Kashi line to transfer to Hakata, the red line. Pila pala siya.
Ayaw nga pala.
Ang ganda. Shrimp too?
Shrimp. This one.
Madami.
After dinner, we headed to Matsukiyo. So it's basically like Watson's. You have meds and cosmetics. And I found different brands here like Handmakes, Zane, which were not available in Donki.
880.
After shopping at Matsukiyo, we decided to try some yatai stalls. So basically these stalls are open in the evening.
Pataas ng pataas yung papel. Mas kita Medyo hapya. Medyo hapya. Para sa ano, naalala ko yung fried noodle. Pinaka-best na nakain natin itong steak. Oo nga. Nakain. pila pa.
Ito wine.
Oo. Parang ganito yung kinain natin.